New at 6, cleared for takeoff.
It's important for fighting fires that we try to minimize the risks to human life.
For the first time ever, drones get the green light to fly over wildfires in Washington state. KIRO 7 plots their path and their purpose. For the first time in U.S. history, drones are allowed to fly over a wildfire at night, and they're authorized right here in Washington state. KIRO 7's Nick McGurk found out not everybody knew what the feds had authorized until we brought it to their attention.
This is what a wildfire looks like at night from an unmanned drone. It's video from a fire in Australia. But for the first time ever in U.S. history, a nighttime drone for firefighting is being allowed by the FAA.
We have several fires now.
Senator Maria Cantwell, speaking before a Senate committee in D.C. today on fighting wildfires, says drones are part of the solution.
We're working with the FAA right now.
The FAA confirms to KIRO 7 that they issued emergency authorization to the DNR to fly a drone in the vicinity of Entiat, Washington. After KIRO 7 called the DNR multiple times to ask about drones, they sent out a news release saying unmanned aircraft can fly in conditions where manned aircraft cannot. They say the drone available for use is about 4 feet long with a 10-foot wingspan. It only weighs about 40 pounds.
Well, it's important for fighting fires that we try to minimize the risks to human life, and if we had drones to go over and give us a better picture of where fires are.
Wildfires, Cantwell said today, are all too common. But when we asked a DNR spokesperson whether the drone will fly over the Mills Canyon fire, she told us they won't release any of that info until a conference call with the media on Wednesday morning. Nick McGurk, KIRO 7 Eyewitness News.
The drone is designed and manufactured by a Boeing subsidiary here in Washington state. We asked the FAA if drones have been used at other fires around the country. They have, but rarely. We'll stay on this and let you know if a drone does fly by night or day over the Mills Canyon fire. Now, you can see video of drones in action and our coverage of the controversy over civilian drone use. That's on our website, KIROTV.com.